Hello guys, sanibonani and welcome back to my channel. Mpumalanga major prisons ranked by their capacity. Number 1, sine-Standerton esaseyisho yona with large facility. Lena yona yakhelwe ukuthi i-relieve lalamanye ama-prison uma kuthi sekagcwele. Iwa-relieve ukuthi if tiboshwa lalamanye ama-prison agcwele bazothi transfer batilethe la. Yona i-approved capacity yayo ingu-1,486, yavulwa 2019, so isaseyisha guys. Number 2, sine-Barberton Maximum Prison. Lena is the only maximum security center lekhona eMpumalanga. I-capacity yayo u-845. The current facility siyibona lapha eBarberton yavulwa 1995. This one i-modern area. Kanzi yona vele kahle kahle yakhiwa 1984 bese yavalwa between 1990 no-1995 leyavulwa ngayo cause bebafuna kuyi-renovate ukuthi kutokhona ukuthi kube ne-medium and ne-maximum sections. Number 3, sine-Nelspruit Prison. Lena i-medium large facility servicing i-central and ne-southern of Mpumalanga. I-capacity yayo u-828. Yona yakhiwa 1990, so kudala ikhona isebenza le. Number 4, sine-Bethal Prison. Yona i-focus-e kuma-offender lahlala eBethal or abantu ababanjelwe eBethal cause kahle kahle eBethal indzawo lencane la abantu baye khona bathi bayosebenza, but ngoba siyazi ukuthi abantu baya kosebenza bese nabafika sebayinda umndeni uyanza. Number 5, sine-Middelburg Prison. Yona iseNkangala District. Yona incane mara iyiphathi yalama-prison la-active eMpumalanga, so that's why itholakala kule list yema-major prisons aseMpumalanga. I-capacity yema-prison ibalwa according to le mibhede leya-approve ukuthi this prison itokhona ukuthi ifake imibhede le-so. So bekubalwa njalo, but since nawo amajele ahlezi agcwele, le number le yona ngiyo lesikalo bekumele ngabe sithwala wona, but because kuyagqwala kwenteka ukuthi lamanye wawo atholakale sekandlule nale number bekumele ukuthi afike kuyo, and that affects i-budget ye-prison because i-prison ne-prison mayikhitshelwa i-budget per month ikhiphela according to leyo mibhede be-approve-iwe ukuthi okay, if nemibhede le ingaka kusho ukuthi netinhloko tabantu kumele tibe ngaka. Guys, that's the end of our today's video. Please like, comment and subscribe. Don't ku video elandelayo. Bye.